Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing the Texas laws on Out-of-Hospital Do-Not-Resuscitate, or OOH-DNR orders. As EMTs, understanding these laws is crucial to ensure compliance, uphold patient rights, and provide ethical care in the field. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a DNR? A Do Not Resuscitate order is a legal directive stating that no resuscitative measures should be taken if the patient experiences cardiac or respiratory arrest. Texas has specific laws regarding out-of-hospital DNR orders, which apply in pre-hospital settings like homes, nursing facilities, and ambulances. As EMTs, recognizing and respecting these orders is an essential part of our role. Why should EMTs care about OOH-DNR orders? First, it ensures we're acting within the law and following patient wishes. Second, it helps us make fast, informed decisions during critical situations. Lastly, it protects us from potential legal consequences if we fail to honor a valid OOH-DNR. Knowing when to intervene and when to withhold resuscitation is key to professional and ethical care. Texas law provides a legal framework for OOH-DNR orders. These orders are governed by the Texas Health and Safety Code and overseen by the Texas Department of State Health Services. Only a patient, their legal guardian, or an agent under medical power of attorney can execute an OOH-DNR order. For it to be valid, it must be signed by both the patient and a physician, along with witness signatures or a notary seal. EMTs must be aware of these legal requirements to ensure they are handling OOH-DNRs correctly. How can EMTs identify a valid OOH-DNR order? The most common forms of identification include the official DSHS OOH-DNR form and an approved OOH-DNR bracelet or necklace. Be cautious of photocopies without proper signatures or verbal statements from family members that lack documentation. These are not considered valid. When in doubt, follow protocol and contact medical direction. When responding to a patient with a possible OOH-DNR, follow a structured approach. First, verify the order by checking for a valid form, bracelet, or necklace. If the DNR is valid, do not initiate CPR, defibrillation, advanced airway management, or cardiac drugs. Instead, provide comfort care, such as oxygen and pain relief. If no valid documentation is present, assume full resuscitation measures. Always document your actions thoroughly and consult with medical control when needed. Now, let's walk through a few real-world scenarios. Imagine a family member hands you a DNR order, but is visibly distressed and insists on CPR. What do? Your priority is to verify the validity of the DNR and follow its directives, despite emotional appeals. If the patient is wearing a valid DNR bracelet, but no paperwork is available, recognize the bracelet as a valid form of identification. Finally, if a conscious patient revokes their DNR, honor their current wishes and proceed accordingly. These situations can be challenging, but your training and knowledge of the law will guide you. What happens if an EMT fails to honor a valid OOH-DNR? Violating a DNR order can result in serious legal action, disciplinary measures, and professional consequences. On the other hand, failing to provide comfort care or improperly withholding treatment can also lead to ethical and legal repercussions. The bottom line? Know the law, follow protocol, and document everything. For those wanting to dive deeper into this topic, here are some key resources. The Texas Department of State Health Services website provides official guidelines on OOH-DNR orders. Additionally, reviewing the Texas Health and Safety Code, Chapter 166, will give you an in-depth understanding of advanced directives. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the Texas DSHS OOH-DNR form and instructions to ensure you can quickly identify valid documents in the field. Understanding Texas laws on out-of-hospital DNR orders ensures that we respect patient rights while fulfilling our legal and professional responsibilities. Always verify documentation, follow proper protocols, and provide compassionate care. If you have any questions, now's the time to ask. Thank you for your attention, and keep up the great work in your training.